Hello guys, this is MP Moldaplastic. I'm going to do a little tutorial video with some tips and tools I create for me. I'm going to share with you guys. For example, this is how I create a little tool to support to painting miniatures. This is a cable file, and I put a little screw. This is a cap of bottle wine. You just put the screw here inside and just attach to the support, and you just have a little support for miniatures. You can't put here the miniature to paint. You can use for 1/72 scale for this kind. You can see this is very small. This is a miniature I paint. And you can use for another miniatures. For example, this is 1/32 scale. You can put here with a glue tack, and you can paint with the brush. You can paint the miniature with all the mobility you can do. Okay, this is the first step. First tool. Another tip is this one. This is a spring cloth, a normal spring cloth. This is in wood. I prefer wood because it's more soft. With the plastic, they are more hard and can damage the plastic. It is very good. We just use this is a common one. We use to glue the wings, fuselage in the planes. Some we can paint to fix here, to put some, for example, some pieces of plastic we can hold like that, and we can paint the here to hold. It's a very lots of kind of use, but I can give you the tip. You can modify this spring cloth and create an inverted spring cloth like that. It's the same one, but in different position. With more accurate and precision, you can put here and have more handling, and you can do and put here in this kind of supports like an extension. You can see, put here in the crocodile, and you put here and have an extension with a different angle of the part, and you can paint here. You can see it's another, can do different angles. Okay, this is another tip, and now I'm going to show you how you can do. You just take apart the glue spring, then you just put like that. This is the normal position, and you invert the position like that here, and you put the spring. Going to put here, and this one is going to like this. Very easy, and you have another spring cloth. Okay, this is another tip, very useful, and with lots to practice in different ways. Okay, another tip I'm going to show you is to create a very good support, like to fixing the tracks, in this case vinyl tracks. But sometimes it's not easy because the super glue do not attach, and the extra thin and another glues for like contactor from rubber, that glues don't attach and don't glue the vinyl tracks because they like rubber, and we must melt with a screw. But sometimes the support of the fixation, it's not good. I'm going to give you a very good tip. I just apply here, you can see, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I just use this kind of staples, the common staples we just use here in this kind of tools to put in a paper, a staple, okay? And you just take one of them, one of these staples, and you can, in this case for the tracks I use two. They are very small, you can see. And you are going to put here the staple out of the tank, and you extend the track here. I'm going to simulate a track. You are going to see with a little bit of paper. It's not the same thing, but for you understand the idea, we are imagining like this kind of paper is a track, okay? Just for an example, this is a track, okay? Then you just with a staple in the tops. They have little holes here, you can see. I have little holes and the extremities of, and you are going to put in the hole, okay? Like this. And you put the other extremity of the point of the, and you are going to put in another hole, very just, okay? This is for an example. The paper, it's not the most adequate, but this is for an example. And then you just bend the points, okay? And you just put you close the track, okay? It's like this, but in a vinyl track, okay? And you can see I just painting inside here, and you almost, it's camouflaged with the paint, and you can see with some weathering we just see here, okay? I have two staples here, then I extend the track in the tank, and you can see it's very just, very good, very nice. It's a solution to fix the vinyl tracks, okay? This is one tip, another tip. Now I'm going to tell another one. This is an applicator for the contact glue. This is the Super Bond. This is an old support of a brush, the part of the hole, you can see. I just cut here the part of the metal, take the bristles out. This is a old brush. Then I can put all the part of the hood. Then I put a little pin, metal pin from the cloth we use in clothes, and just put here, and you have a little and precise applicator, you can see. And you just take a little bit of the glue when you need, just take with the applicator and put here with very precise the parts you need to glue, okay? This is a very useful tool and you can use with the old brushes. We can recycle them and create a very good applicator. The procedure like a pen. Okay, this is another tip. The other tip I'm going to do use is this one. These are the stickers. Sorry, the yes, little thermo fusibles for hot glue. They are sticks of hot glue, and with a little lighter we can melt a little bit, and some, for example, some units of these solders in 172, 135, 132. Some are to glue in pieces in some kits. This is one piece. For example, this one, they are only in one mold, but some kits from ICM, Mini Art, they have, and another brands from FX, they have little solders with different parts. We can glue the arms and legs, and the kinds of the glues from Tamiya, Contactor Rebel, and this here Super Bond, Super Glue, Syncrolate. They don't react with this kind of plastic, and this is a very good option. You just melt with a lighter a little bit. You can put some water, some hot, and it's going to melt a little bit. You can see, and you just take a little bit with a toothpick. You just take a little bit, and you can glue. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put here some white glue, and it's going to glue plastic with plastic. A different kind of plastic. This is a sprue plastic. This is a couple from evaporated. Different plastics. You are going to see it create. You just blow a little bit of dry air is going to make a very good bond. You can see different plastics and the glue very well. Okay, and therefore you just take out if you need, like that, and this going to, because this is very hard with the air when this dry, and it's very easy to take off. Okay, and it kind you can glue different materials. For example, you have this little cork. When you just put here, for example, a little bit, I'm going to show you, is glue all kinds of materials. For example, this is cork, and if I need to put some plastic, I just glue, just blow to dry a little bit, and you just see it makes a very good bond with different materials. This is plastic with cork. You can see I'm just pushing. This is very good. Just you can see the strength of this. This is very good. It's another application for, you can see, this is another tip for you guys. Now I'm going to show you another one. In this case, to create discs of sanding. This is some tools we can buy. This is our very chiffon we use in manicure. Like this, normally use this, and we can use this and buy this with it will have two batteries inside, and it's very good because it have two speeds, and they can overspeed for the other side, two rotations, one for left and one for the left. Okay, and we can create this kind of discs. I just already built here one, but I'm going to show you how to create a disc you have this kind of sheets of the sand. You have here. I have one. This is sandpaper, water sandpaper. We just buy here in different shades. You can see here different grammatures. Okay, we just take a little bit of one of them. I'm going to create a new mold. I'm going to take out this one for you guys to see how I do. Okay, and you just need a little bit of sandpaper, and this is two sides of glue. Okay, you just take a little the shape you put here, you can see. Then what you are going to do, you are going to cut this straight. Okay, I will just need this. Now you just have put here the head to put in the drill. Okay, now you are going to take this part to put the glue. The other, this is double tape, okay, with the two sides with adhesive. Then you are going to put here in the shape here. You just glue here. Okay, then you just cut right with the mold. Very easy. Okay, now with this you are going to take the excess and give the round shape. It's very easy, just cut around the mold and take the excess of the double tape and the sandpaper. Okay, it's very easy. And you have a abrasive disc ready to attach in the drill and just for sanding. Okay, this is very good, it's very fast, and you can drill in one side. You just turn to the other side and the rotation inverts. Okay, it depends the way you are working. Okay, and you can see it's okay, guys. Hope you like the tips. See you next video. If you like the video, make some comments. And see you. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you. All the best, guys. MP turn off.